my channel. Well, what are you doing here? Okay, so here's the thing, right? I got it in my mind that I want to create an iconic 90s bombshell, glamorous supermodel look with only the skills I possess. So, I don't know if we're gonna be successful, but I'm gonna try. So, like you saw in the intro, hopefully I was successful. I'm doing a review for UNice, and they sent me something that I was very shocked. So when, like, it's long season, right? It's cold outside, the girls want the necks covered, they don't want, usually bobs are reserved for the summertime. So when I opened the box, I was like, a bob? But what they didn't know is, I had spent some time on Apple TV watching that SuperModel documentary, and I saw those amazing photos of Naomi and Linda, and I was like, we're gonna get into that. So that's what we're doing today. Y'all may send me a book of lashes. I love lashes because they complete the look. And what does that say about me? That when all the Halloween stuff went on sale, I headed straight to the eyelash section and I bought them all up, honey. What? And nails? See, I got some pink nails. But I do my own, and I usually do press-on nails. I did Gel X for a while, but it was really actually, it's not that putting on the nails were time consuming, is that I found that that is my passion. And I will start on my hand and look up and it'll be pitch dark outside. And I'm like, I've been sitting here for 5 hours just playing with my nails. And in keeping with the brand color, I've got this elastic bands right here for edges. And then I got a satin robe, but here's the thing. Here's the thing, you see this color? You see this knock your mama out pink? It's kind of like neon fuchsia. It's not the same. It's not the same color. This color, guys. This is the color. So in the satin dust bag, which you can use to put your wig in for storage, is the wig. So here is the wig, and I was like, okay, so with this, it's a glueless wig. You don't have to do the full ball cap method. As you can see right here, where you would normally have a lace to glue down. Right here is some ear flaps, so it's gonna fit snugly on your head. Here's a full 360 of the inner workings of the cap. A very simple, clean cap. If you notice, there are no adjustable straps. There's only one nape comb and 2 temple combs. This non-slip elastic band is doing all the heavy lifting. Also around the perimeter of the entire wig is the same non-slip silicone material. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna place her on my head, and we're gonna see what kind of adjustments I need to do, if any, to this band. Okay, we're locked. We're locked in. So fresh out of the box, stop, look, and watch. This is the hairline that I'm given, and that ain't nothing but some spritz to clean up that halo. Simple. So if you prefer, you can wear it 100% glueless. Just engage the combs, make sure your elastic band is adjusted to your head size, that it's snug and it won't come off, and there's no slipping. It's on there pretty snug. But for that little bit of extra security, if you would like to use some adhesive, you go right ahead and do it, baby. Because I am, bam, got to be glued. Let me tell you something. Out of every single wig glue that I've ever used, the day I met Got to Be was a day made in history, honey. So this is what I was thinking. I was thinking in the face, some kind of curls. I'm not sure yet. But what I do know is I'm going to remove this middle part. Shoink. I'm gonna glue this down and I'll be back. Okay, I'm gonna let that sit for about 15 minutes and then I'll be right back. Okay, this should be all set. I'm gonna go ahead and remove my band. So it's looking a little funky now, but I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up and remove this halo with some spritz. I'm gonna use my It's Giving Laid and Slayed from the Frontal Queen, but you can really pretty much use any kind of spritz that you want. What it's gonna do is it's gonna melt the lace.
'Cause yeah, sometimes we'll feel alone. In a second, I'll be right there. Turn around, let it rain. Turn around and let it rain on me. Don't you be afraid. Just follow me.
Okay, so the makeup's all done. I tried to do it as 90s bombshell as I could. I don't know. Look, I did the best I could. So now let's get into the styling of this wig.
I feel blessed and free. I just don't want this.
There's two ways that I think that will work in achieving the style that I want. So I have this tool. This styling tool I use, I don't know, I think I got it from like Marshalls or TJ Maxx or something, because I really wanted a Dyson. That's what I wanted, but I didn't want to spend the money for a Dyson, so I cheaped out and I got this bad boy, and I hated it, so I gave it to Danny, and then she didn't use it, so I stole it back. This is a rotating hot air brush, so I was thinking maybe a blowout. But if that doesn't give me the result that I'm looking for, because I'm looking for big volume, right? Because that's what it was all about, volume and loose curls. And if I can't get that with this, then I'll try with my thermal rollers, which has not failed me yet.
If you ever feel alone, 'cause yeah, sometimes we'll feel alone. In a second, I'll be right there. Turn around, let it rain. Turn around and let it rain on me. Don't you be afraid. Just follow me.
Okay, my rollers are cooled down. I'm gonna attempt to go ahead and take them out. Hopefully this comes out good. Some I clipped up and some I didn't. It's a cute little body wave. See, that's the reason why I love thermal rollers, because they give you that light and airy body without it looking too styled. And I'm going for effortless. I just woke up, I curled my hair last night and went to sleep and woke up and still look amazing kind of curls. Okay, the look I was going for was 90s bombshell. I kind of skipped a couple of decades and went straight to the 50s, but it's cute. It's very light and fluffy, and I don't think I would have gotten the same kind of results. This is like a roller set. That's what it looks like. It's a blowout roller set, y'all. It's got a lot of volume and it's got a lot of body, and that's what I'm here for. So that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will put all the information for this hair in the description box below. And if y'all really interested in those thermal rollers, I got them from Ulta. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you guys later.